Virgin Money Virgin Atlantic Credit Card Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you love traveling with Virgin Atlantic, this app promises to make managing your credit card easy, but is it worth it? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming airline credit card apps are basic. With Virgin Money's app, you can track spending, view your balance, and manage payments instantly. You can also monitor Avio's points earned and see upcoming redemption opportunities, keeping your rewards in check. Another advantage is security. The app provides alerts for suspicious activity, allows instant card lock if needed, and supports biometric lock-in for quick access. You can also access digital versions of your card for online purchases without sharing your physical card. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional delays in points updates, which can affect redemption planning. The app also lacks some detailed features found on the desktop platform, like comprehensive spending reports or statement downloads. Additionally, full card management options may still require calling customer service for certain requests. In conclusion, the Virgin Money Virgin Atlantic Credit Card app is perfect for keeping track of your spending and rewards while on the go. The surprising truth is that while it's convenient for daily management, advanced features still benefit from the desktop experience. For travelers who value instant access, security, and quick rewards tracking, the app delivers a smooth experience. Just remember, for detailed account management, combining it with the website is ideal.